Choosing the right vessel is important, but, you know, choosing the right flag can really define your entire maritime career. We are proud to announce a new Belgian-flagged project operating in the LNG, LPG, and offshore sectors. This project is built on European safety standards, professional vessel management, and real long-term career security for officers who take their future seriously. The Belgian flag is, honestly, one of the strongest social protection flags in Europe. As a seafarer under the Belgian flag, your employment is covered by European social security regulations, including unemployment protection. If your contract ends involuntarily, you are not left without protection. If you are resident in Belgium, unemployment benefits are paid directly by RVA or ONEM. Benefits start at approximately 65% of your previous salary, then gradually decrease, fully regulated and transparent. If you live in another EU or EEA country, your country of residence pays your unemployment benefits. Your Belgian sea time is officially recognized through the U1 document, so your work under the Belgian flag always counts. So, to qualify, unemployment must be involuntary. The required sea time must be met, and you must be medically fit for work. Your employer provides the C4 document, and Belgian authorities issue the U1, ensuring continuity and protection. We are now recruiting French-speaking officers for this Belgian-flagged project LNG, LPG, and offshore exposure. Modern vessels, European standards. Third officer, no experience required. Second officer, minimum 2 years experience. Chief officer, minimum 3 years experience. At Candina Group, we don't just offer contracts. We offer legal clarity, social protection, and long-term career support. If you are a qualified officer, ready to sail under the Belgian flag and able to work professionally in French, this opportunity is for you. Register yourself today in our official crew database and be considered for our new LNG, LPG, and offshore projects.